Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Dale, I've got my servers. What else do I need? Well, typically an attacker is going to go after one of your desktop machines first in order to make his way into your servers. So we're going to go through in this module here and look at how to install and configure your desktop virtual machines. Now those desktop machines are going to include Windows 8.1, Windows 7, and Kali. So we'll take you through one at a time, show you how to install those. The reason why we have Windows 7 and Windows 8.1 is to show you that the tools may or may not work on certain platforms, as well as these could be targets themselves and what you need to look at. Kali itself is actually just a operating system that is used for pen testing, and we're going to be using it to actually do the pen test. So after we install the OSs, we'll then go through and show you how to, just like our servers, we're going to go through and disable and enable certain features, just so that it works the way that we want it to work in the lab, so you can see the demonstration or the theory. We'll also go through, you remember those user accounts? Yeah, I see you're getting hooked on some characters now, aren't you? We're going to go through and create those same accounts on these boxes. We won't create it on the Kali box. We'll actually just use a root account, and we'll talk about the root account briefly when we get there. And then afterwards, it's extremely important that you will at least watch the housekeeping section. The housekeeping section, we've got some things we need to go through and do. Basically, it's making some snapshots to make sure that we can come back if we goof something up, as well as making sure that we reactivate all the machines so we get some additional time with those trial OSs. So let's go fire up some more VMs.